Did you know that adding avocados to your diet can be a delicious way to manage cholesterol levels? Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore tasty tips for a healthier you. Today, we're diving into how avocados can help with cholesterol management. Cholesterol can be a bit confusing, but let's break it down. We have LDL, often labeled as bad cholesterol, and HDL, known as good cholesterol. High levels of LDL can increase the risk of heart disease, while HDL helps remove LDL from the bloodstream. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy kind that can lower LDL and boost HDL levels. Plus, they're packed with fiber, which plays a role in reducing bad cholesterol. Imagine starting your day with creamy avocado toast. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a step toward better heart health. Studies have shown that eating one avocado a day can lower LDL cholesterol levels. It's a simple addition to your diet that can make a significant difference. Incorporating avocados into meals is easy. Add them to salads, smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack. Their versatility makes them a delightful choice for any meal. Here's your action plan. Start by adding half an avocado to your daily meals. Monitor how you feel and consider discussing dietary changes with a healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions. Remember, small dietary adjustments can lead to significant health benefits over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Comment below with your favorite avocado recipes.